simple. Our issue is whose land is it? We believe it is our land. The railway said it is their land. The panchayat has told them to show documents. They are not producing documents. Our villagers have given documents which show that it is their land. Yesterday we got an independent surveyor, and he identified the spot, and which clearly shows that they are doing work in the private property. But nobody from there, when you talk to the engineer outside, he says it's my survey team is coming, he will not come. So nobody seems to know, and with police protection they are just going ahead with their work.
So now they have not even clarified to the panchayat whether the property belongs to them or to you?
They have not shown any document. And neither are they coming to do a survey. See, the railway board circular very clearly says that whenever a property has to be demarcated, there are three agencies that have to be there. The railway authorities, the owner of the property, and DLS survey department. So you can't put a stone anywhere and say this is my property. That's what they're doing. We are asking for a joint survey. That's all.
Thank you. Thank you.
I feel the deputy collector, the RVNL, they should come on the ground with their papers and prove it to the people that the land belongs to them. The problem is over there. Every now and then the local come to the panchayat and they catch hold of me to solve the problem, which is not in my hands, and I feel only people who can solve it is the collector and the RVNL. And I am with the people till I can.
Madam, have you approached the RVNL or have you approached the deputy collector?
We have written so many times, so many letters are gone from the panchayat to deputy collector to RVNL. Their answers are, the land belongs to us. The police also tell us, you all demarcate the area. Which is not our duty, it's the duty of RVNL to demarcate the area. Right?
Madam, you have taken resolutions also in the past.
Many resolutions. But it is gone on deaf ears.
We've been brainwashed with the second track. Now, it looks like I'm hearing from many that the third track is coming. Are we not the citizens of this country? Don't we have respect for, doesn't the government respect us? Are we supposed to be treated like animals? Not animals, even animals have their own respect, and that is why the Supreme Court made sure that the track does not pass through the wildlife sanctuary. But who are we? Don't we have equal respect as the animals do? You're treating us, I don't know, like what? I don't even like to say animals because I respect animals. So what are we worse? No, this is not fair. There is no justice. And I would like to know, from where is the coal coming? Now, we all know the second track and third track is for coal, transportation of coal. Now, I want to know, for example, where is the coal coming from? Australia, right? Now, how many ports does the state of Goa have? One port. Now, our neighboring state has 12 ports. Karnataka has 12 minor ports and one major port. Why can't the coal that is coming from Australia be deposited at one of these ports in Karnataka? Because from the port, the coal is to be taken to a site in Karnataka. So why touch Goa? Why? And look at the size of our state. Our state is so small. Can we contain that much pollution and that much destruction of our environment? It is high time the government that is elected by the people to serve the people stand up to what is right.
आमचे लोकल पंचायतान फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ जानेवारी एक कंप्लेंट येयल्लें हे लँड ओनराची फ्रॉम द बार्बोजा फॅमिली आनी ताणें सांगलें की ते लँड वायलेट केलें म्हूण इलिगली ट्रेसपास जाला काम फावंडेशन घायलां बेडिंग घायलां फॉर द एम्बॅकमेंट आनी तें पंचायतान रोखडेंच एक्शन घेयलें आनी स्टॉप वर्क ऑर्डर काडली RVNL एड्रेस करून कित्याक तुमगे दाखवाय म्हूण तुमगे अंटील योर जॉब इज नॉट डन सॉरी योर मॅटर इज नॉट रिजॉल्व यू डोंट स्टॉप द वर्क म्हूण सो हें जालें आनी काम मातशें बंद जाल्लें एक 3-4 वीक बंद जाल्लें काम आनी लास्ट वीक ऑफ जानेवारी ते पत्ते येयले आणि काम आता जोऱ्यान काम स्टार्ट जाता. सो आमी PI कडेन डिस्कस केलें. PI म्हणूंक लागलो तुमचें काम बंद करपा येना कित्याक तुमचे कडेन प्रूफ ना ते तुमगे प्रायवेट प्रॉपर्टी म्हणून. सो आमी काल आमी सर्वे केली, प्रायवेट सर्वेयर हाडलो आनी टोटल स्टेशन घेवन ते आमी डिस्कस केलें आनी ते कडेन तेका दाखयलें सर्वेयर पॉयंट तेणें मेजर केले आनी एक्झॅक्टली डिमार्केशन केन्न दाखयल्यार की ती हांवें बांदलें तें हाटलें म्हजे दिसती पडटें. इट इज कमींग इन द प्रॉपर्टी बिलॉंगिंग टू द heirs of Dr. Barbosa, not related also to the ex-CM of Goa. So what I'm saying is आमी तेका मिस्टर शाहू येयलो काल सायन्सा आनी आमी तेका सांगलें, वी एक्सप्लेन टू हिम, पॉयंट दाखयलो. तो म्हणटा ना आय थिंक एक स्टोन आहलो म्हूण, सम इमॅजिनरी स्टोन ही इज टॉकिंग अबाउट. ते बेस्ड ऑन दॅट स्टोन वी हॅव कन्स्ट्रक्टेड म्हणटा. अरे वेन वी आर इन दीस एरा where all scientific tools are available with the government and with the private agencies, why is this not being used? Why is some cornerstone which is we do not know which stone they are talking about, and te fatrache te mutai on based on that stone they have built this. Can you believe such a man as a general manager of RVNL talking to us, the villages like this? Now आमी कितें अनपढ़ न्हू, आमी we are also technical person, lot of technical person in the village, so we know what we are talking about. And the rights of the villages have been violated. आतां आमची फाटल्यान ही स्ट्रॉंग वॉटर ड्रेन पावसा इतलो थिंगा लोट माता आनी हाच्या रायट हँड सायड म्हणजे कालवाट आहलो, तो कोण कालवाट तितून कॉन्क्रीट घालून तो पुरयला. ओके, तेट पुरयलें, वी डोंट वॉन्ट टू गेट टू इट. बट वॉट आय एम सेइंग इज द टॉपोग्राफी ऑफ द विलेज इज बीइंग ऑल्टर्ड.
तर डेप्युटी कलेक्टराक 4 दिसाचो अल्टिमेटम दिता. ताबडतोब जें काम चलता RVNLचें ते बंद करचें, नाल्यार गांवचे लोक मोर्चा घेवन येतले आनी लॉ ऑर्डर सिट्युएशन जावपाचें शकता. कित्याक हें जें पळय RVNL कांयच वर्क ऑर्डर ना, कोणाचे प्रॉपर्टीन ते ट्रस्पास करता, क्रिमिनली ट्रस्पास करता. हें चलना कित्याक म्हाका कांय कोणाय सारकी गुंडाइजम चलता. इट लुक्स लायक गोवा इज नॉट गवर्न बाय इट्स लॉ, or there is no department which is governing Goa. It looks like it's a jungle raj. आयज रिवर वेले, डबल रेल्वे लायन वेले, कोल सगळें येता. अदानी देशाक लुटून 10 लाख कोटीचो स्कॅम करता, तरी पासून कोण कांय उलयना म्हूण हें फकाणां जालेलें आसा. इट लुक्स लायक वी आर गोइंग टू हिट एंड बिकम लायक श्रीलंका कंट्री. सो हांव मागता ताबडतोब CMाकूय अपील करता, जे पळय इलिगल चलता ते ताबडतोब बंद करचें. You follow the procedure, we are with you, but not like this where you forcibly go into private property and after even complaining yet the railway is not stopping. तो म्हणटा रेल्वे ऑफिशियल म्हणटा डेप्युटी कलेक्टरा कडेन उलय. डेप्युटी कलेक्टर हिंगा गांव राखपाक येयलो, चोरपाक येयला, हें आतां विचारपाचें म्हाका डेप्युटी कलेक्टर.